Want to go viral in 2025? Without filming, recording, or editing for hours? Here are 5 AI-powered tools that do the heavy lifting. Ready to level up? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that do the hard work for you, from video to voice, images, and even full content scripts. Welcome to the AI Lab 360. I'm Taha, and every week we explore real AI tools, smart prompts, and creative hacks for content creation. Perfect for anyone looking to create viral content fast. The first tool is about cinematic video generation with zero filming. Tools like Google VO3 and Pika Labs turn plain text into moving visuals. For creating video, you should write complete prompt and explain your video. After that, tap on Generate. Also, you change your prompt if you don't like it. And your clip is ready. Another tool is similar to before. Write your prompt about video, and then tap on Generate. For example, type this: aerial drone shot of a futuristic city at sunrise, dramatic vibe. And in less than a minute, you get a full cinematic B-roll. Perfect for intros, story scenes, or even ad creatives. Not a fan of recording your own voice? ElevenLabs turn text into studio-quality voiceovers. You can customize tone, pace, emotion, even accent and gender. Want a calm female voice or an energetic male narrator?
Just trust yourself, then you will know how to live.
There is no greater harm than that of time wasted.
As we are liberated from our own fear,
the thing always happens that you really believe in, and the belief in a thing.
Life without love is like a tree without blossoms or fruit.
A wise man will make more opportunities than he finds.
courage is not the absence of fear, but simply moving on with dignity despite that fear.
One today is worth 2 tomorrows.
Just select it, and it's done. You can also add a second speaker to the conversation. It is possible to write a text for that second speaker and even change their voice.
Hi, welcome to IE Lab 360. Enjoy it. FS AI.
Today I will show you how to change Instagram profile.
Hi, welcome to iLab 360. Enjoy it.
Today, I will show you how change Instagram profile.
Perfect for faceless videos and product explainers. Another option of ElevenLabs, you can create sound effects. Just describe it and done. Great content starts with great writing. That's where ChatGPT comes in. With one sentence, you get a full YouTube script, title, hook, main points, and call to action. You can even tweak it, ask for a casual tone or a bold opening line. It's like having your own AI copywriter. Thumbnails matter. Even the best content can get ignored without a scroll-stopping thumbnail. Midjourney and Recraft let you create magazine-level visuals. Cinematic portrait of a man, dramatic lighting, red background, fashion magazine style. You can write your prompt and describe your picture. For example, cut red dog. Boom! AI delivers. And the ability to edit and remove the background is also available here. Sound adds soul to your video. With AI music tools like Soundraw, you can create background music in seconds. Choose your mood: cinematic, energetic, chill. Forget copyright issues. It's all royalty-free. It is extra for viewers. You can add or remove instruments or beats. Here's a bonus: vibe coding, soon to be everywhere. It's building software with plain English prompts. Jack Dorsey made a chat app in a day, and Karpathy calls it vibe coding. So, which AI tool are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe. Next tutorials are even better. Thanks for watching.